Hey bro, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to delete or deal with negative Google reviews in 2025, step by step. If you are a business owner trying to protect your reputation, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, can you delete a Google review yourself? The answer is no. Unless you are the person who wrote it. But as a business owner, you can report reviews that violate Google's policies. And if Google agrees, they will remove it. So let's look at what kind of reviews you can report. Google only removes reviews that violate their guidelines, like spam or fake content, offensive or abusive language, conflicts of interest, like reviews from ex-employees of topic content, promotional or political posts, fake identity. If a review falls into any of these categories, you can flag it. Here's how to report a review. Go to business.google.com and log into your Google business profile. Or if you are for the first time, enter business name, like then continue, then select online retailer, next, and follow the prompts. Now from your dashboard, click on reviews. From the menu, find the negative review and click the three dots next to the review. Select report review, choose the reason and submit. Google typically takes 1 to 3 business days to review your report. If nothing happens after a few days, you can contact Google Business Support. Go to support.google.com/business. Then click on Contact Us button or Help Center. Then choose Manage Reviews. From this option, then request a callback to live chat. Explain clearly why the review should be removed. Provide screenshots or context if needed. This works better if the review clearly violates Google's rules. While you wait, or if Google refuses, or if Google refuses to remove the review, respond to it publicly. Tips: stay calm and polite. Acknowledge the issue. Even if you disagree, offer a take the conversions offline. Show future customers that can care. Example replay: we are sorry to hear about your experience. Please contact us directly at your email so we can make this right. This shows professionalism and builds trust. One of the best ways to fight bad reviews, get more good ones. Ask happy customers to leave a review by sending follow up emails, adding a review link on your website, using a QR code at checkout. The more positive reviews you have, the less impact negative ones will have. And that's how you handle and try to delete negative Google reviews in 2025. Quick recap: you can't you can't delete reviews directly, but you can report them. Google only removes reviews that break policy. You should always respond professionally. Focus on growing genuine 5-star reviews. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you want a video on online reputation management tools or automating reviews. Thanks for watching and protect that brand image.